Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
¿Qué onda, cabrones? Nice. Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Brandon, and today we're out here once again, freaking bird hunting. With your boy Rado. Say what up, Rado.
What's up, everyone?
You got the old man Rod over here. We got a board over here. Once again, we're at Rocky Mountain Roosters trying to get some birds. So let's get it. We're about to take the shot. Let's go. Nice. Who was that one? Was that me or you? I don't know. I know. Nice. Look at that. Woo! That was a crazy shot. Nice. Oh! My freaking gun, man! Right here. Get up, hurry up. Nice, Rod. He's on point. I'm waiting for Michael. Michael. Get him, boy.
Hell yeah, you guys really sucked that one up. Right up to your feet.
I know. We're ass cheeks. Oh, nice, Rod. That was good. You literally stepped on it. That's crazy. Nice, Michael. How'd you feel, Rod?
Oh, that was good. That was good. That was a difficult shot there. That was a real difficult shot.
You literally kicked it.
Kicking a bird up.
Yeah? No, for real. Oh, birdie, birdie.
That bird.
Move up. I'm not gonna shoot birds. I only have one shot, so shoot. Woo! That was annihilated. Holy crap. And you hit it too. How does it feel? How does it feel?
Team shots. He got annihilated. He literally went to shreds.
We're gonna get a lot of shit from this, you know that?
It's okay. We're gonna eat all the meat.
All them hippies.
We're gonna eat all the meat that the bird has. Look at that. The wing.
Oh, the wing, dude.
The wing got taken off too, Rob?
Everything, bro.
Ain't not much of that.
Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. So how you feeling, Christian? We're ready to go freaking skin the birds. How you feeling about it, huh?
I am feeling like I'm not gonna know how to do it because it's been a long ass time since I've been hunting. But hopefully we do a good job with it though. I know we will, and we're gonna eat a lot of birds too.
Let's go, boy. Let's get it. All right, guys, we're out here cleaning the birds. You gonna show them how it's done, Rod?
Well, sometimes the guys don't do a very good job shooting the bird, and they ruin everything. This is better, right? We got a nice bird, it's gonna have good meat on it, and we're gonna take that bird and we're gonna turn some of it into jerky.
Let's go.
So, yeah.
Let's go, Christian.
All right, so Christian, what we?
And there you have it, guys. Once again, another amazing trip. Thanks to the man, Rod himself. Christian, how you feeling, bro? How you feeling?
I'm feeling good. We got a lot of pheasants, and we did a very good job.
Okay, and remember, please like and subscribe. Do whatever the heck you need to do to help the boy out. Vamos a pescar esta vez, no vamos a cazar hasta que nos cansemos, cabrones.